Thank you for the kind words of welcome and introduction. The college principal, Mr. Vasudev, the school FC, Mr. Singh, my good friend, Mr. Sad, the staff of Saraswati College, parents, students, and my good friend Bala from Water Authority. I don't think you have any water issue, right? I can see Bala from Water Authority is sitting here. Ladies and gentlemen, Bula Vinaka and a very good morning to you all. The issues that has been raised by the management, you can be rest assured that it will be definitely looked into, and I'll make sure that it's done. First and foremost, I take this opportunity to thank the college management, staff, and the students for inviting me to celebrate the induction of the 2018 Students' Council body of Saraswati College. I am told Saraswati College was established in 1966, and today I wish to pay my tribute to the founding members and thank them for being visionary leaders. Today is a special day. The teachers have not only chosen you, but they have also placed their faith on you to carry on their duty on your shoulders to the best of your ability. As mentioned earlier on, if Muhammad can do it, why can't you do it? And I have been to many schools around the country, and this is the first time I have heard the story of a student like Muhammad. And I believe it's a very good example to others. And I want to congratulate you for the decision that you have made for your life. You must be ready to assist your teachers and be their eyes and ears to uphold the name and fame of this college. Seek advice so that you can make the right decision. In my address this morning, I wish to shed some light on the special role that will be given today. Being a leader is not easy. Otherwise, everybody can become leaders. We may have to increase the size of parliament, but you are the chosen ones. Leadership requires hard work, commitment, having pride, making sacrifice, and above all, facing challenges. It is about being able to find solutions to solve problems and make things better, and which are components of effective leadership. Today you become a role model for your fellow students, which means you need to first practice what you preach. Dear students, leadership is about passion. You must love what you do. You must always push things to be done in a bigger, better, and a greater way. However, at the same time, you must be humble, as stated earlier on, in your approach, and be the best leaders you can. As leaders, it will be your duty to inspire and motivate other students to achieve their desired goals in life. But you need to manage your work. Remember, students, leadership is a calling. It is not just about having a badge, but it is more about going out of your way to serve others. As the saying goes, a leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Through great examples, we are inspired on what good leadership is all about. Great leadership is all about making a difference. Leaders like our Prime Minister, who has a vision for Fiji, a new Fiji. He worked so hard to bring a divided nation into a developed nation. Moreover, students, leadership and participation in decision making is all about empowering the youth and enhancing their skills to take up leadership roles in the future. The government continues to play its part to ensure that every Fijian is able to achieve quality education and at the same time be smarter. We would like to see that everyone goes to school. And that is why government has come up with this incentive so that the burden that was on the parents is taken away. And you, as students, must at all times think what Muhammad has said earlier on. Leaders become great not because of their power, but because of their ability to empower others. During my lifetime, I was also given roles as leaders in many organizations. And one thing I have learned during those days, that if you are given that leadership, you must carry out that responsibility with all honesty. Then you can become a very great person. They are leaders. But for you students, that is my message this morning. Be honest in what you are doing. The best that will be given today can be taken away if you don't perform. But I am sure, as I said earlier on, that you all are the chosen ones. The teachers, the principal must have worked hard in selecting the best 60. So prove to your teachers and to your fellow students that you are the real leaders of this institution. With those few words, I congratulate you for being chosen as leaders, and at the same time challenge you to make a difference, to become outstanding leaders in the journey that you are about to embark upon. And I wish you all the very best. And I wish you all the very best for the 2018 academic year. Thank you and God bless.